Hey everyone, I'm Steph from Sitemate. Site acceptance tests can be delayed by inadequate documentation and procedures, leading to shipment delays and costly rework. Dashpivot allows you to conduct and record site acceptance tests electronically, ensuring all inspections and tests are completed and documented. In Dashpivot, you can create a site acceptance test template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. As we're talking about site acceptance today, I'll run a search in the top. You can preview the format before adding it into your account, and remember that everything that you see here is fully customizable once it's been added into your workspace. You can easily create site acceptance tests in your team folder. Our standard site acceptance test template includes fields such as a date, text field for the test details, default table for the acceptance criteria, including a drop-down for the results, yes/no fields, and electronic sign-offs for the tester and witnesses. Once saved, the test will be shown in a timeline view, sorted by the date that was put onto the form, just like this. The tests are automatically compiled into a register where the information from all of the forms can be viewed in a table format. You can also use the filters at the top of the columns to search through and find for relevant forms and further export this data as a PDF or CSV format. To ensure that important and unique information is captured and not duplicated, fields can be made required and they can be excluded from form cloning in the template editor. These options can be found in the field settings on the top left-hand corner of any field. Conditional logic can be applied to yes/no questions to help document additional information depending on the answer that gets selected. In this case here with the question whether all acceptance criteria were met, if the answer is equal to no, additional fields will appear in the form. If you need external parties to sign off on your document, such as a witness or a company representative, they can be added to your Dashpivot workspace in the User section underneath the Visitors tab. With this, you can control their permissions and access, similar to how you would with your internal team. Site acceptance tests can be created and submitted using our Dashpivot mobile app. The forms created are organized in a timeline, just like on the web access. You can continue working on existing forms, or you can create a new one using the green plus button. Once completed, if you need to share a copy of this document with others right away, you don't need to have a computer to export it. Instead, you can use the Send as PDF feature we have available, which allows you to email a recipient directly through the Dashpivot app. The mobile and tablet app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, and Power BI using our integration product FlowSite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your site acceptance test data from Dashpivot to your preferred data storage or other tools. Try Dashpivot for site acceptance tests today using our sign-up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.